We're here in Collegetown Center to take a look at Studio Apartment 501. Let's go on in. This is a rectangle style apartment on the south side of the building. As we enter, our kitchen is on the right, and you can see we've got the refrigerator. There's the sink with a dishwasher underneath. We have some assorted cabinets and drawers, upper and lower cabinets. The apartments all come with a microwave, and you can see the electric stove and oven over here at the end of the kitchen. As we go through the kitchen, that next door on our right will be the closet. We'll take a peek in there so you can see our storage space. So we have a hanging rack and shelf and some good storage space here in the closet. As we go around into the apartment, we'll take a look on the left side to go into the bathroom. So that's this door right here. Let's get in the bathroom. And you can see the same bathroom that we have in the other apartment. So we have that standing tub shower with a sliding door. You can see the vanity, which does open underneath for more storage, and the toilet, and there is a small cabinet over on the wall. You can see right there. Okay, let's see the rest of the apartment. We'll always have the same furnishing setup. There'll be a desk and chair, a tall bookshelf, a dining table and chair, and a dresser, as well as a full-size bed. So you can see all the furniture items. We are on the south side of the building. That is considered the brighter side of the building. We are away from Dryden Road. We're going by the full-size bed. Over here on our right, you can see the heating unit. You always want to make sure that you're not blocking that so your heat can circulate freely in the winter. And you can see, again, we're away from Dryden Road, so we do have more open valley views to our right. That's looking to the west. And over this way is up towards Dryden Road. You can see an angle window apartment from next door to us here. So that's a look at Studio Apartment 501. We're in a south-facing rectangle studio here on the 5th floor of this 6th-floor elevator building located at 151 Dryden Road here at Collegetown Center, and we're located just 1 block from campus.